Hi everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to project 2D road outline onto a 3D ground mesh in SketchUp. If you don't know how to download 2D road or 3D terrain, you can get them on TopoExport.com. The link is in the description. Now let's go back to SketchUp. First, select your rows. You can use the sandbox tool called Drape. Click on Drape. Then click on your terrain mesh. Wait a few seconds. As you can see, the 2D roads are now projected onto the surface of your 3D terrain. You can now easily select the 3D road shape and delete them if you don't need them. You can also change their color or apply materials. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more SketchUp tutorials.